Hi everyone, my name is Kaustubh Kale. Hope you guys are having a bull market in your life. So in this video, we will try and understand the concept of SIP and lump sum and what is the exact difference between the two and which is a better mode to opt for. So to first clarify, SIP as well as lump sum are just modes of investing, ways of investing or a manner of doing things, and it is not a product in itself. So for instance, आप बैंक में अगर recurring deposit में invest करते हो which happens monthly, even that is an SIP, but while it is a low risk SIP, a low return SIP, and it eats your purchasing power because it doesn't beat inflation. So even a bank guarantee is an SIP. Today in this video, what we will look at is SIP from the only perspective of equity mutual fund and lump sum from the perspective of equity mutual funds. So let's try and understand this with an example. Now here we'll see three people. We'll compare three people ka investments. The first person does a lump sum investment. Now what's a lump sum investment? He does a one-time investment and does not add funds after that, or that's his only investment in a one shot or in through one go. So that is a lump sum investment. In an SIP investment, it happens in an automated fashion. एक predefined date पे एक predefined amount invest होता है in an equity mutual fund. That is the second person who does a fixed SIP. The third person is a Mr. Step Up SIP where he invests, but every year as his salary increases or his monthly income increases, he also increases his SIP amount, which is called as a step up SIP. So now to understand lump sum and SIP more better here, understand that if there's someone who exercises daily and rather than doing 30 minutes daily, he decides कि वो एक ही दिन पे exercise करेगा और 4-5 घंटा jogging करेगा. So that is a lump sum investment. The other thing is an SIP investment where he decides that he will try and remove 30 minutes of his time daily and do an exercise. So that's a SIP related exercise investments. So now let's try and analyze all these three people. Now, Mr. Lump Sum invested around 18 lakh odd. He did this for 15 years. He invested 18 lakhs and forgot it for 15 years. His money grew at a return of 12%. We are assuming this return, and at the end of 15 years he got 1 crore back. That was the first person. Now in the second person, what he did is instead of investing a large amount, he invested 21,000 odd amount per month. He totally invested say 37 lakh 80,000 over the 15-year period because he did this for 15 years, and at the end of 15 years, assuming a rate of return of 12%, his wealth grew to 1 crore again. So these were Mr. SIP and Mr. Lump Sum. Now the third person, as I said earlier, is a person who's investing an amount monthly, and every consecutive year he's increasing this amount. So in this case, he starts with a small amount, which is 12,000 odd amount, and he increases it by 10% every year. So वो टोटल अमाउंट जो इन्वेस्ट करता है 15 साल में 46 lakhs odd इन्वेस्ट करता है for 15 years, through a period of 15 years, assuming a rate of return of 12%, his amount grows to 1 crore. So the best way that you can do this is by starting small and increasing your amount regularly, because let's understand the fact. Our monthly income increases every year. If the incremental amount whatever you are earning, अगर assume करो आप 1/3 आपका monthly income अगर invest कर रहे हो, अगर आपका मंथली इनकम इंक्रीज हो रहा है एंड आप उसमें से एवरी जो इंक्रीमेंटल पोर्शन है वो ऐड नहीं कर रहे हो एज एन इन्वेस्टमेंट, देन आइदर यू आर स्पेंडिंग दैट अमाउंट और इट इज गोइंग टू एन इन्वेस्टमेंट विच इज नॉट बीटिंग इन्फ्लेशन. So maybe you are just saving and not beating inflation. So it's important that as your income increases, it's a good habit to also increase your SIP. So to give you a cricket analogy, when you play a long innings, you must have seen that while singles and doubles are basically your SIP mode of investing, somewhere down the line you will find fours and sixes, and those help you to reach your goal faster. So single doubles be important hai, fours and sixes be important hai. SIP is your single and double, fours and sixes is your lump sum investment, because you might be getting a bonus, you might be getting a large income from somewhere. All of that amount if you invest, then you will reach your amount, your goal, financial goal faster. So the best way is to combine all of this. Start small, Start with whatever amount possible, increase it every year as your income grows, and whenever you get a large amount to invest, do invest it so that you reach your financial goal faster. And always remember, the beauty is in the time horizon, so make the best use of it. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope I could explain you the difference between SIP and lump sum very well. Thank you.